proceed to day 2, let's just have a look at what we have done on day 1. What did we discuss on day 1? Just let's go reverse. Okay. I mean, like, go back to the day 1. Day 1, that is yesterday, we discussed about what is BPM. BPM is business process management. BPM tool is going to allow us to develop applications which can be done for processing our business, which can be used for processing our business. BPM tool as an environment provides you all the facilities in the development where a developer can do the things from requirement phase to reporting phase, everything. Okay, requirement phase to reporting phase. That means requirements gathering, development, unit testing, versioning, deployments, reporting, everything can be done on BPM as a single unified product. And BPM allows us to design the transaction model like a flow diagram, which we also call it as process, That's what we have discussed. So all the phases of software development lifecycle will be covered here, and transaction model is process. Process is a unit of work which can be completed either by acceptance or rejection. And BPM as a tool, it is called as BPM suite generally, and where it can be used for application development and execution of the business process. We don't need to write any code. When I say code, no need to write. Code means UI related coding, HTML, business logic related middleware coding, or database related scripts. I mean, like queries and all. There is no need to write any code while developing applications using BPM or PEGA. And BPM suite architecture has business rules. The business rules are going to decide how the system should behave. Means system's behavior will be depending on business rules. I told real example also for this. And business rules stores in a database called as business rules database. Business rules will be driven from business rules database to BPM environment by using a software called business rules engine. If everyone clear so far about recollecting? Everyone clear so far? Online students, unmute and respond, or respond on the chatting window. That is also okay. When you unmute and respond, you have to mute back immediately. Thank you for responding on the chatting window. Thank you, everyone. Okay, we are just trying to recollect what we have discussed yesterday. Okay, so you did not miss anything, those who have just now arrived. Okay, and here you go now. See why PEGA is called as BPM tool. Any tool, not only PEGA, why those tools are called as BPM tool? Because those tools are providing BPM solutions where the tools have the architecture like BPM architecture, where the tools have business rules database, and business rules engine. Coming to PEGA, PEGA is a BPM tool by its name, PRPC. What is the name? PRPC stands for PEGA Rules Process Commander. PEGA Rules Process Commander. Because it is a BPM tool, it must have everything that we have discussed in BPM. Process will be there, business rules will be there, business rules database will be there, business rules engine will be there. Okay. So, but the naming convention for some of these may be different. The BPM suite, what we have discussed, here we call it as PRPC. Process or workflow, what we discussed, here we call it as same process or workflow. Business rules, which impacts the system, here we call it as PEGA rules impacts the PRPC system. Business rules stores into business rules database. PEGA rules stores into a database called as rule base. Business rules will be driven from business rules database by a software program called business rules engine. PEGA rules will be driven from rule base by a software program called process commander. So PEGA is a BPM tool. It has BPM architecture. Make sense, everyone? Clear? This is what we have discussed yesterday. One more point. PRPC, if you divide into two parts, PR stands for PEGA rules, which stores into rule base. PC stands for process commander, which drives the rules from rule base to the environment to achieve the required business goals. So the name of PEGA rules process commander is not so simple. They have given. Based on its architecture only, name has been mentioned. మీరు నేను అటెండ్ అయ్యారా? Okay. Listen carefully. Okay, see here, let's go further. So we are going to start to look into rest of the slides. So this is the beginning of day 2. Day 2. Okay, here you go now. PRPC. So what is the use of PEGA rules process commander tool? Okay, PEGA rules process commander tool we already discussed. It is used for application development without the need of coding. It is a software product developed by PEGA systems to provide BPM solutions to the business owners. To provide BPM solutions to business owners, PEGA systems is a software company which has developed a tool called PEGA rules process commander, which is built based on BPM methodology. In other words, PRPC is a comprehensive platform for building and deploying the BPM, CRM, decision management, and case management applications. Okay, so PEGA provides not only BPM solutions but also CRM solutions. But for CRM, PEGA is not up to the mark compared to Salesforce. Salesforce provided best solutions, that's why it is leading. But in BPM, PEGA provided best solutions. And decision management, case management works together with BPM and CRM as well. Okay, we will be learning these things. CRM is not part of our syllabus at all. Okay, now in other words, PEGA rules process commander is a process that focuses on automating the work and powerful automation of the program. So we are now going to learn about what does PEGA rules process commander is providing. It is providing two things: automation of program as well as automation of work. First, I will explain about what is automation of work. I think you know about it. See, any tasks that will be done by humans manually, those tasks will be automated to be done without human interaction. Those tasks will be automated to be done without human interaction. That is called automation of work. There are separate tools available in the market for this purpose. What are the tools? Robotic process automation, full-fledged automation of work we can develop by using those tools. Robotic process automation, RPA tools, Blue Prism, automation anywhere. Okay, and what else? OpenSpan, Blue Prism, automation anywhere, OpenSpan. Any other tools? UiPath. These four are major tools. There are many tools like that. Those are full-fledged automation of work. PEGA also provides automation of work. Actually, OpenSpan has been acquired by PEGA Systems almost 8 years back. They tagged it as PEGA Robotic Automation Process, PEGA Robotic Automation Tool. Okay, they tagged it now. I mean, like 8 years back, they purchased it. But they are still developing that tool. It will take time actually. Okay, so PEGA rules process commander can also be used to automate the work, but that is very limited automation of work. We will be practically working on those things. But the powerful feature of PRPC, I'll tell you an example, automation of work, if you want to understand. See, we will be getting one SMS from a bank, let's say every Saturday morning. All the customers of bank will be getting one SMS stating that this is your bank account balance and all, right? This SMS will not be sent by anyone manually. They will write one program, they will schedule the program. Every Saturday 7 a.m. that program should run. They will do a scheduling. It will automatically run fetch email IDs of active customers and sends email. or SMS accordingly. Okay, phone numbers. That is automation of work can be done without any manual interaction. That can be done in PEGA also. Okay, we'll be doing that. మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా అర్థం కావట్లేదు మీరు డౌట్ఫుల్గా కూర్చున్నారు వింటున్నారా క్లాస్ ఓకే see here now what do you mean by automation of program see work is automated machine will do instead of you program is automated means guess the same way work is automated means machine is doing instead of you program is automated you guess the same way what is program automation machine will do automatically programming instead of you yes that is what is here machine doesn't mean hardware here it is a software product PEGA rules process commander as a product it will automatically write the programs for you means program will be generated automatically you don't need to write single line of code the code will get generated automatically by PRPC that is called as automation of program everyone following online programs will be generated automatically without the need of writing see if anyone not able to see the screen they have to reconnect okay it must be visible to everyone there is no issue from my end okay automation of program that's it this is the key feature that this is the reason why PEGA is a leader in the market you will come to know while learning okay you don't need to write the program will generate it automatically how then what way you are going to write the programs by yourself you are not writing it will be generated automatically you are going to implement the business requirements using listen to me carefully form based programming model what did we discuss automation of work automation of program so what is this form based programming model form means user interface means anything you are doing in PEGA it is on UI screens for example I will tell you see if you want to create a class don't bother about navigations just understand the concept class I am creating okay you don't know what is the class but I am creating something okay I am creating something here see to create all this what am I doing I am navigating through the navigations I am selecting the options like this if I want to design user interface for example if I want to design user interface what am I going to do I am going to add the controls right UI means you will have controls I will add a button drag and drop so I'll be adding one paragraph rule here paragraph so I'll be adding some of the other things like drop down so drag and drop and selection from other options like that see class I want to create I have navigated here I have chosen some options here and I'm just saving this I'm just saving this class created okay hold on class has been created same if you want to do in Java or anywhere class name coding you are writing right you're going to write coding .NET or anywhere I'm sorry I don't know much about Java or any other technologies but here you write public static something you are writing main something like this and you open brace close brace coding you are writing but same I have done just now but you don't know how I have done but overall what you can understand is I have gone through some navigations where I have gone through some navigations user interface forms PEGA is form based programming model means everything you are going to develop that you are going to do by user interface navigations and all internally it will generate the code as a developer you don't need to bother about what is generated you never customize you don't need to bother about what is there in the back end but you want to see that for example if you want to see that just for your information it is read only just to show you that's it there is nothing to focus or nothing to understand for the user interface form created there are so many things that are being generated in the background you don't need to learn about all these things just for your information I have shown the same you can also see in XML format this is XML format but this is nothing for us just they have given just like that Okay, that is nothing for us as a developer of PEGA. You don't need to have knowledge about any programming language when you are learning from me. I'll teach you from the scratch everything. While working also, you don't need to write any code. Make sense? అర్థమవుతుందా? ఓపెన్ డే తలకాయ అన్న కొంచెం. ఓకే, బొమ్మలా కూర్చోవద్దు. ఓకే, okay, so here you go. So this is about automation of program. So form based programming model, code will be generated internally by PEGA. Okay, next. So this is the powerful feature of PRPC. See, when you are working with PEGA, one more thing I have to tell you. Not only you are going to do the form based programming model, if you want to implement one business requirement functionality that may already be available in PRPC, PEGA may already have created it and provided to you. I will tell you one example. Let's take Amazon application, because we know very well about Amazon. That's why I'm referring always Amazon. At the end of product purchase is completed, you will be receiving one email, correct? Stating that this is the bank account, sorry, this is the product purchase order code, and these are the product details you purchased, total amount, invoice, all that you will receive, right? How that email will be sent, I'm going to explain you now, high level. Don't think too much technical. Okay, I will draw a diagram and show you. Okay, just a minute only, just 1 minute, quickly. See, this is Amazon application. What is this? Amazon application. Amazon app. On purchase completed, at the end. Okay, this is email server. Emails will be sent from email server only, right? Email server is needed or not? So Amazon application, what it will do? Amazon application will connect, coordinate. In your language, it is coordination, correct? Coordinate with email server. It will supply the details. Supply from email to email, subject, body. All these details will be supplied from here to here. Then email will get composed and sent. Email will get composed and sent across. Understand everyone? This is the actual thing. See, in order to establish communication between these two servers, we need a program, yes or no? We need a program to be written here such that the program will interact here and then will supply, take all this data and supply to the email server, yes or no? That program at least you have to write by yourself, right? Generally. But let me ask you one question. This email program, if you are writing in Amazon application, Flipkart application, loan processing application, insurance processing application, overall content may change. Overall theme of the program is same or not? Same program. You are writing or I am writing, overall theme is same. Yes or no? So universally it is same. Correct? Any different sector of the business, any different business application, universally this is same. Correct? Yes or no, online students? Because it is universally same, what PEGA is doing now, you don't even need to create this program by yourself. PEGA will provide this program automatically. Send email notification. This functional component is ready-made available in PRPC. See, there are so many functionalities like this. This is one example I am telling. Email or payment gateway screen I want to create, for example. Is it same for any business? More or less same? More or less same. So instead of you creating, I will create the payment gateway and provide you. You want to little bit customize. For customization also no coding. Okay. So that's the advantage when you are going for PEGA. It's that no coding plus there are so many functional business components, you don't need to even create without coding. That is ready-made available. Okay, ready-made available. Clear everyone? So ready-made available, how long does it take? Suppose you are coding, for example, it is taking 5 hours. Without coding, form-based programming model you are using. How long does it take? Let's say 1 hour. For example, 5 hours to 1 hour. Even you are not doing form based, already product is ready made available. Try, you should know how to use it, when to use it, what to be passed. How long does it take? 10 minutes maximum. Maximum 10 minutes done. That's even a biggest advantage. You need to know about so many things like this. I'll tell you while we are working on. So far, everyone clear? Understand about automation of program. Every one of you, are you clear about automation of program? I'm sorry. Here is the people. Everyone online, are you clear about automation of program? Respond here. Okay, thank you. See, next, whatever we have discussed so far, in that we discussed about architecture of PEGA, right? I told you 4 components: process, rules, rule base, process commander, right? In the architecture of PEGA, rules, rule base, process commander will be available, you know. See, rule sets, node manager, servlet. This will be covered later, not now. Remaining I will cover. Okay. The architecture of PEGA, we have process, rule base, rules, rule base, process commander. And in the architecture of PEGA, Java compiler is also there. Hey, for PEGA, why we need Java compiler? That's the question, right? For PEGA, why we need Java compiler? See here. See here. PEGA rules process commander environment is being developed by using
No Java.
almost 18 technologies. How many technologies? 18. Out of 18, major 3 technologies. The user interface that you see in PRPC, HTML5. What is that? HTML5. The business logic they would have developed right internally in the tool, that is core Java. That is Java, simply speak. Okay. Please mute. If you're not talking to me, you must be muting. Otherwise, it will disturb others. Okay. See here. So core Java is used internally. That's why we need Java compiler. Then what about database? Third layer. Any database can be used. Any database. The content inside database will be provided by PEGA. See, you purchase a database and install. What tables to be there? What data to be there in the tables when you are using PEGA will be given by PEGA systems. You run that scripts, it will load. At the time, some of you might have already installed PEGA. At the time of installation, if you have observed, otherwise, if you are going to install tomorrow or today, try to observe. At the time of installation, you will see table database created, table number of records loaded and all. That would have taken almost 20 minutes. That is the only thing will take time. Remaining will be installed very quickly. I'll tell you what will be installed later. So any database is compatible. So UI is HTML5, business logic internally, what they have created provided is Java, and database can be anything. For that Java execution internally, it has a Java compiler. When you install PEGA, Java will be installed with the respective version. That's why in the installation steps at the beginning, we told you, if you already have any other version of Java, uninstall. Then you start installation. I told, right? Anyhow, this will install Java with compatibility. Other, if you don't uninstall existing Java, what will happen? Class path will mismatch. That's where you will not see PEGA working. That's why I requested you to uninstall. You don't know about all those. We don't need. That is admin task. But here you go. Now, next point. Everyone clear about why Java compiler is there? Next. PEGA has XML clipboards. PEGA has XML clipboards. What is that XML clipboard means? Everything, the input that we provide to PRPC system, the output that we get out of PRPC system will be translated into, converted into XML language. You don't need to bother about what is it. If I want to see for this one, if I want to see XML actions and view XML, don't bother about navigations. You will learn later. I don't need to know about anything here. I just need only one thing. Okay, I just need only one parameter. At the time of practicing, I will tell you that parameter we need it actually. Out of this XML, this parameter we need. At the time of practicing, I will be telling you how to find out that parameter here. Okay, other than that, this XML we don't need. The input that we provide to PRPC system, the output that we get out of PRPC system, everything will be converted into XML format for the purpose of security. For the purpose of security. Internally, the system is secure within the processing. Next, I will tell you, okay. Next, I am going to explain you this one. See, any software application, if you want to access, you need to log in. Yes or no? You need to log in. So you'll be using a login ID and you are going to log in. Hold on. I'm sorry. I'll log into this one. Okay, I'm going to log in. Okay, you are logged in. What is this called as? Login ID, correct? Login ID. Login ID will be there for business users, correct? So Amazon application, I am a business user. I have a login ID. It's not only business users, developers will be there who will be developing application, Amazon application. They will have login IDs, passwords. Login IDs and passwords, everything will be created and maintained within PRPC system. That provision is there. That's what it has, users and developers. Everyone clear? Online students. In the architecture of PEGA, what do you have? Process, rules, rule base, process commander, Java compiler, XML clipboards, users and developers. Clear everyone? All the resources online clear. Always you should respond on the chatting window or unmute, respond and mute back. See, in the software installation, any issue, 9652532753 number is there, right? Between 11 o'clock to 4:30, contact them, they will help you. Call them, not WhatsApp. Call them first, they will help you to make your installation successful. Okay, clear? Next you see one thing is pending in the architecture called integrations. We will be practically working on all these. These are very, very important. What is meant by integration? I will tell you now. Simple example I'll tell you. I will take 5 minutes to explain this. Okay. See, suppose if we are applying for a loan in a bank, let's go to 1970s, 80s, when there was no internet and all. If I apply for a loan in a bank, they will ask for the documents. Okay, they will ask me my personal documents, salary documents, tax related documents and all, whether I am paying or not properly or not. After I submit those documents, they have to verify those. The personal documents, okay, they will verify somehow. So salary documents with my company, they will verify. Tax document, how they will verify? They will have to verify by income tax department, correct? How do they know genuinity of those tax documents? Income tax department should say these are genuine, correct? How it used to be, just high level I am explaining. From bank, from all financial institutions, some representatives will be there who will be a registered representative with income tax department. In the income tax department, there will be one cell, people will be sitting there. The task of the cell is, every day when these people comes, this financial department representatives, they will request for the data. These are the PAN card numbers, please provide us their tax documents. There will be an agreement for each request. 10 rupees you have to pay, for example I'm saying, or those days it is maybe 50 paise you have to pay, or 1 rupee you have to pay. Like that, that is a business to them, this is a business to them. So once they get the documents from department, you submit it, right? They will match both, they will do entries, correct, everything is fine, okay, otherwise they will question you. But after digitalization is being done, internet is there, now it is not a manual process. You submitted documents, everything, right? Bank people will have an application, they will enter everything, and at one place, after entering everything, they will write your PAN card number and click on validate. The moment they click on validate, how income tax department is maintaining your data? They will have their own application, right? To maintain all that, application will be there, yes or no? Now bank application, same diagram I can use previously. Now this is bank, this is income tax. Bank application will coordinate with income tax application. Income tax application will send back the data. It will be validated and displayed as a green or red. Matching green, not matching red. 1 minute. Just previously 10 days. Now 1 minute. Okay. So These two applications are communicating with each other for exchange of information, right? This is called as the concept of integration. Okay, we are integrating and web service concept. What is that? Web service concept. You understand why web service concept? Two applications communicate with each other to share the data. Integrations concept. Web services. This will be practically working. This can be implemented in PEGA where we have different protocols like SOAP, REST architecture, and then MQ, JS, COM, okay, J, JSON is structure, okay, COM, Cobra, like this. There are different things available. All these protocols for integrations are being HTTP. Regularly we are using hypertext transfer protocol, HTTP colon slash slash google.com, hypertext transfer protocol. All these are supported by PRPs. From PRPC system, we can integrate with other applications. PEGA supports all protocols of integration web services. That's the architectural point. Now everyone clear about architecture? In the architecture of PEGA, we have rules, rule base, process commander, Java compiler, XML clipboards, users and developers, and what else? Integration support is there. Integration protocols are supported. Architecture of PEGA. Tell me now, one by one. Rules. Start from rules. Okay, start from process also. Okay. Process, rules, rule base, process commander, Java compiler. Yes, I'm sorry. There is insert. Okay. Java compiler, users and developers. Simply I'm writing logins. Okay. And then integration web service protocols. We will be practically working on all these things. Additionally, what we did not discuss, rule sets, we did not discuss. Okay, just to have a name now. And then servlet. What is the other one? Node manager. We will be learning about nodes, multi-node environment. I'll explain everything. Okay. So these are the architectural points. 7 only you have to go through. Remaining 3 we will get automatically while we are practicing. Okay. So this is about architecture of PEG. So with this we are done 2 parts. Yesterday 1 part. This is second part. Still little bit pending, but we are finalized with PEGA up to its architecture. Okay. Next.
Harsha sir,
See,
what about XML clipboards?
XML clipboards. As I'm sorry, I have to write that. I'll insert here. Okay. XML clipboards. Perfect. Thanks for reminding. Okay. See here. See, since yesterday we are saying we develop applications using PEGA, right? What type of applications we develop using PEGA? This is one key point to understand. Okay. See, usually we can categorize the applications into 2 types: internet applications, intranet applications. What are those 2 applications? One is internet, means public domain. What is that? Second one, intranet applications. This is within organizations network. Within organizations network. Can you access a bank application from outside except a banker? Can you access insurance entire application outside except an insurance agent or maybe back-end team? We cannot, correct? So internet applications are public domain. Amazon.com, public domain or not? Phone Pay, public domain or not? Amazon.com website is public domain, okay. Amazon will have another application to maintain its employees' data, public or private domain? I mean like organizations network. Amazon.com, it will have an application to maintain the logistics information. How many products coming in, how many products going out, what products to be ordered, what products are been staying without selling out. This application is internet or intranet? Intranet. PEGA is mainly used for intranet applications. What is that? PEGA today is being used for intranet business process applications. Means loan processing, insurance processing, healthcare member management, the applications which are used by the business people internally, those are intranet applications. PEGA is mainly used for the same. You may get a doubt, see, if we are using for intranet applications, there will be less number of applications. No, for one Amazon.com application that you are seeing, behind the scenes 100 plus applications will be there. Intranet, employee management system, logistics management system, delivery management system, so many applications will be there like this. Okay, service request, okay, reports, I mean like tickets, in the sense, what is that, complaint management system applications. For one applications we see Facebook, thousands of applications will be there internally, really thousands will be there. Okay, so for intranet applications, for internal business process which will be accessed and used by the employees of organizations, mainly those business process applications will be developed by using PEGA so far today. Okay, everyone clear with this point? Online students, this I have told, internet, intranet and all. Okay. PEGA is no code application development software, whereas other technologies like Java, Python, everything we have to code, HTML and all database. Nothing we need to write while we are working with PEGA. Now, what is the advantage? Suppose if you are developing an application by using Java with combination of UI plus database or Python with combination of UI plus database, a application like Flipkart or Amazon, for example, if it takes 1 year, the same to develop in PEGA, it may be done within 3 months. It is not exact ratio. I am just saying like that. There is a huge reduction of time, okay, that you are going to spend to develop applications and to onboard your applications into market. 1 year you need to wait to onboard to develop, but now within 3 months you can be in the market. Okay, that's all overall about PEGA. This is my number, as I told yesterday. Anyone has any questions about what we have discussed? We can develop applications using PEGA within less
Harsha,
time compared to, yes please.
Harsha, what is the difference between rules and rule set under the architecture of
No,
Pega?
no, no technical about rule set. That's why I did not even mention anything about rule set. Rule I
Oh,
told yesterday. Technically, rule I will tell you only after we start our course. You cannot understand now.
okay.
You'll get confused. Once you experience it, it is very easy. Okay, once you start experiencing one or two, it will be very easy to understand. That's why I did not take you to technical path. Okay, rule set anyhow I did
Sir,
not
can
even
we,
mention. That we will see. Yes, please.
sir, can we write mobile application as well through Pega?
We can develop mobile applications also. There are mobile application options available in PEGA. Yes, we can develop for sure. Okay, options will be there, mobile application options. Desktop, mobile, tablet, all these options will be available. See here, I will just give me a minute, please. I'll just show you the top level appearance only. There should be icon. See here. What is this icon? Desktop. Okay. What is the other icon which we have got? I think it has gone. The other icon which we have got is tablet, and one more icon is mobile. Means all facilities are there. Options will be available, but most widely being used is desktop only. I mean like web applications, like they will access on their laptop because internal business process, right? Okay. Next, I am going to tell you one point related to what is the reason behind giving the name of the company as PEGA. What is that PEGA means? That I am going to tell you. Okay. See, the organization which has developed this tool, what is the name of the organization I told? PEGA Systems. Okay. So Alan Treffler, I'm sorry, Alan Treffler. This person, he is the founder of PEGA Systems company. His company has created this product, PEGA Rules Process Commander. He is the founder. See, during 1983, I'm sorry, during 1975. So during 1983, they started it. They started this PEGA Systems company. This product is being launched. During 1975, list of world chess champions, you go to history, he was one of the chess champions in this world. So the time 1975, being a chess champion, is it a simple task, or we should have a lot of passion? A lot of passion should be there. Chess champion is not a simple thing. Okay, only one person in entire globe, right? So he was one of the chess champion 1975. When he is visiting India anywhere, he will play at a time with 10-15 people. Still today also. Okay. So he is a software engineer at the same time. At the same time, this guy is a software engineer. At the age of 23, he started an organization called PEGA Systems. What is the organization name? PEGA Systems developed a product called PEGA Rules Process Commander. Now, he wanted to name his organization something unique, some unique name to be given to his organization. He thought of that. At the same time, when he looked at his organization name or organization's logo, that also should reflect his passion. So come to this one, Pegasus. Pegasus means this is a horse with wings. You might have seen in movies and all. Okay. So in the history, it was there, but now it is no more, I think. Okay. Horse with wings. See, this is Pegasus. Okay. Take 3 letters from here, take out. What is remaining? Pega. With this name, he named his organization. When you look at Pegasus, it also resembles knight in chess. In chess, you have knight, right? Okay. I'm sorry. So this is a knight. When you look at the logo of his organization, PEGA Systems logo, PEGA Systems logo. So the logo is Pegasus logo. When you look at the logo of his organization, it resembles his passion, that knight in chess. And the name is also unique, taken out from Pegasus, 4 letters, PEGA. PEGA Systems. Logo is Pegasus logo. The logo also reflects his passion all the time. That's the reason behind naming PEGA system. Everyone clear with this? Online students. Okay. There is no abbreviation, nothing. People will say abbreviation and all. No, no. No abbreviation,
Mr.
nothing.
Harsha,
Yes, please.
see, as you said, this is intranet mainly used for developing intranet application, right?
Okay.
So, when we collect the customer information from the outside, right, that is public domain. So we have to integrate this intra
See,
application to internet
there are
application, right?
intranet applications. Correct, correct. There are intranet applications which
Yeah,
will be coordinated from public domain. Public domain, you do something. See, it is very simple.
yeah,
You access online, apply for a new loan.
yeah.
You will get some website. You will enter some data, right? It will not be
Yes,
processed in the
yes,
same application. This
of
data will
course.
flow into one intranet application. There, banking people will take it forward further. You will not access that
Okay.
internal application. This is one
Yes,
way.
yes. Yeah,
Second way, without public domain, intranet can be standalone. See, employee management system. I mean, like only leave request that you will directly access within the organization. You don't
yes,
access it from
of
outside
course.
connection.
Yeah,
May not be there. It
yeah,
may be public domain to intranet, or maybe directly intranet you will access within the network directly by using the URL. Understand? It may be like
yeah,
that also.
yeah.
Clear
That's what I
everyone?
said. It means it
Both.
has to integrate with that.
That's what I'm saying. Based on its nature, if it is only standalone internal, access directly. If it has to
Okay.
get the data from outside, then
Yeah.
integrate from outside. Depends. Clear?
Thank
Everyone
Yeah,
clear with the
so
demo?
it's totally, yeah, it's
Yes, go ahead.
totally based on the business logic, right?
Based on business only, correct. Totally based on business. Okay. See, with this we are done with demo. That's why I told you within 1 hour we cannot cover this entire PPT. Are you clear everything? Everything. Yesterday,
Sir, I have a
today.
question.
Go ahead, please.
Sir, actually, you said that PEGA will take less time to develop an application
Correct.
rather than application. So, like, how many companies are using PEGA? Like,
See, how
for
many
Java?
companies are using PEGA? I don't know exact number, but many
Okay,
companies. See,
many
all
companies.
company in the sense using PEGA, when you say, there are
Hmm.
two ways. Who has this PEGA applications, who is owning this PEGA applications, who is providing jobs on PEGA applications. Service based
Okay,
product owner, client service. Clients,
okay,
all the AAA rated, AA rated clients have PEGA, most of the
okay,
companies.
okay,
Service based, all MNCs have, level 3 have, now even small companies also, they started recruiting PEGA resources and getting the projects from outside. Now we are seeing it, see 5 years back, only MNCs, no other small, no level 3 also. Level 3 it came, now small companies, it is expanding. I will tell you one point now. You are learning PEGA as a single product today, correct? We are teaching everything single product. This product is going to get divided into 30 modules. How many? Already
hmm,
it is in progress. See, as a whole single product, licensing cost will be spent by client, whoever is the client. For example, I am telling 100 rupees they are paying today. They purchased PEGA product, 100 rupees whole licensing cost. Okay, this is huge compared to other, let's say. That's why big clients are purchasing this, correct? After they purchase, I'll tell you, there are 30 modules available already overall. But client, as per his business, he is using only 20 modules, not 30. He is not getting that need of remaining 10, 10 are waste. But he is paying for remaining 10 also. Remaining 10 also is paying. Now, PEGA is getting into SaaS model, software as a service. Means they divide into 30 modules. They will give you core product license you purchase with core product, core 10 modules will be added. Example, I'm saying not exactly 10, maybe 10 or 7 or 15. Remaining modules you want, you buy it, otherwise you don't buy it. So now licensing cost will be reduced because you are not purchasing entire product. Now small clients also can bear. I don't want module 2, I want only module 1. I will not pay for module 2, I'll pay only for module 1. So if they are going to divide it to like 30 modules and all, you are learning everything today. I cannot say in future how my training will be transformed into. The training will be transformed into PEGA. Maybe 6 modules they will be making it as one structural component. Remaining 6 they may make it as another structural component. Training for this may be separate. Training for this may be separate. But whoever are the developers today, they can work on all 30 modules. Everything you can work on. Okay. In future, how this will be transformed, we don't know. But the advantage is the cost, licensing cost will be reduced as you are not using some modules. So small clients also will be able to purchase this. That is going to widen the market of PEGA going forward. Opportunities will
okay,
increase, but for any technology, last year after April, from April to till I think as per newspapers, is April, right? May, June, July. Till July, it may be a tough period. Tough period. Already we are in tough period for software. Till July, also it may be tough period for software because of existing recession. Once recession is over, then again slowly it will pick up and more number of clients will be ready to start investments. That time even small clients also can purchase the license. You see increase in number of job opportunities for sure. Why any organization is going to make changes? To increase the revenue for sure. How do they increase revenue? Customers increases, revenue will increase. How customers will increase? When it is affordable to the customer. How you make it affordable? The whole I cannot make it affordable. So I am dividing and giving you only something you can use. Purchase only that part and use it. You can afford it with less price so that our client base will increase and number of job opportunities obviously will increase. Okay, we have a
okay,
great future ahead, but only thing is You should be learning it to gain the skill to the best of best level. Okay, everyone clear online?
Yes, sir.
See,
Harsha, I have a
tomorrow
question.
what are we going to do?
Hello.
Just let me tell you. Give me an idea. Yes, someone
Hello.
was trying to ask a
Yeah.
question.
Yeah. So is integration the only way to connect to the outer world from PEGA,
The
or is there
term,
any other way?
the term integration, meaning that connecting, integrating two systems,
Mm-hmm.
joining two systems, generic term. Integration is the only way to make establish connection between two systems. That may be email integration, that may be SMS integration, that may be normal exchange of data, web integration. That may be two systems are communicating means integration is done. Simply speaking. Okay.
Okay.
In integrations, hi Harsha. In integrations, you have spoken about SOAP and REST and all, right? After we will be learning those things,
We will
will
be
we be able
practically
to?
learning SOAP, REST, email, file, database. This will be practically taught.
So
Okay.
after we will be learning that in your Harsha trainings, will we be able to work with any web service that the company provides?
See, yes. See, the main advantage of PEGA is if you learn one website, if you clearly understand the concept of web service universally and you understand the process mechanism, flow mechanism, then you implement one service in PEGA, you can work on any service. That is one biggest advantage. Okay, one service you are learning, you can learn any service easily and work on it. So we'll be learning all these integrations, whatever I have told just now. And the most important part is understand the core features of any product, not only PEGA. Core features, whoever is strong, they can do anything in that product. They will be the best out of best when you know about the fundamentals. Okay, we'll be learning in depth. Okay, next,
So,
anything else?
so one more thing. So like
Yes.
now we are using PEGA 8.7 version. If after a year company comes with the latest version, like again we have
Okay,
to learn.
this point I have to cover. See, PEGA has version 4, 4.4, 5, 5.5 something, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 7, 7.1.1, 7.1.x, simply speaking 7.x, like this, three numbers, 8.x. So where are we now? 8.7. 8.8 is released. Next year onwards, 24, 25, 26, 27. Can you tell me what is it? PEGA 9 and all will not be there. PEGA 24, PEGA 25, PEGA 26, PEGA 27. PEGA 24.1, 24.2, 24.3, 24.4. That's it. PEGA 25, 25.1, 25.2, 25.34, PEGA 26. Each one 4 are there. You can tell me now. What is that 24, 25, 26? The
Different
year in
Year
modules.
which they
number.
are releasing.
At be
PEGA
module.
Year.
24 next year, PEGA 24 first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. Okay, they may release like that going forward. Okay, so with our training, you can work on any version starting from 6.2 onwards, 8.7, 8.8, any version in future also. Why I am saying this? Because we are not only going to learn with respect to latest version approach, we'll be learning old version approach, latest version approach. Future also you'll be able to definitely work on for sure. We
Okay.
will not be starting our learning process with the latest version methodology. We'll be starting our learning old version methodology. Then we will jump on to you will get to know about it. We'll jump on to latest version. It is not like you are learning from PDN or somewhere. Our training is completely different. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You will be able to work on any version
Hello,
for sure, but you need to
Okay.
fully focus. Yes, go ahead. Another person.
hello, sir. Yeah, I'm basically coming from a commerce background.
Yes, come
So,
closer to the
if
mic and speak little bit loud.
Yeah, I'm basically from a
You are
commerce
from
background.
commerce background.
Yeah, and I don't understand these technical terms. So is it important for us to know the in-depth technical terms while working as
I am
well, or
also
is it
not
like
from
just
software background. Okay.
okay?
I am also not from software background. I studied 10th class, intermediate, chemistry, physics, mathematics and all. Then I started learning during my engineering, C language at the very beginning. I don't know about the computer. I learned it and I am now an expert in one specific area. It
Got it.
doesn't matter what you are today. Okay. No one knows anything. No one is from IT background. No one is from civil background. No one is from aeronautical background. Every one of them have started from zero, started learning. Zero means
Okay.
you don't know anything. Anything which I am giving to you, your mind should take it or not. Do you think
Yeah.
like you have to compare? I have IT background, non-IT background. I am giving it from zero. Your mind should take everything if you are zero. See, you already know .NET. You are learning PEGA. There will be a clash between technical terminology. Object, work object. Okay, clash is coming. When you have to say work object, you say object. Oh my God. Again, work object. You will say. Confusion will be there only when you know already something similar. You are learning now. You are a zero. That means you can learn anything. Everything that is given to you should take it. Easily you should take it compared to others. Correct?
Makes
That's the
sense. Yeah.
point you need to understand. See, leave this thought from your mind, every one of you. I am from non-IT background is just a negative hurdle that you are keeping yourself. That's not a real fact. If you are really a non-IT background, you should learn better than anyone else because we are training you from zero. I told you don't need to know about any technology. Learn this as your first technology. Try to get the technical terminology one by one, whatever that I gave you. That is the only thing will be there in your mind. You are already a Java developer and you are learning PEGA. Then clash will come between the technical terms. You may say now, sir, I am a Java developer. I am learning PEGA. I am getting difficulty to get this technical terms. Then I agree. You say I am a non-IT background. I don't have anything about technical. I am learning. You should be easily getting actually because you are empty mind for this. I am just putting something in empty mind. It should fix there. Okay, clear? Makes sense.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the
Makes
thought
sense.
first you need to erase non-IT background thought. Day before yesterday also I told. I'm sorry. Okay, I will wait for 5 more minutes if you want to ask me any questions. FAQ document I shared, right? FAQ document. Have you gone through FAQ document? If not today, you go through. Tomorrow I will go through FAQ document. Just it will take 20 minutes time. Tomorrow, first to 20 minutes, I am going to go through FAQ document to sort out all your questions. You want to ask anything, go to FAQ first. If it is not there, come back to me. Okay.
Do we design a
Yeah,
mobile
Acha, one
application?
One by one. Design. Someone was asking, what is that?
Do we design a mobile application in our
That's what
classes?
someone else. No, we don't design. See, you don't find PEGA mobile applications too many. I told right, these are internal business processing. Mostly employees will be accessing it from laptops. There is a company called Roche Pharma, ROCHE. That company has mobile application. Very few are having mobile applications. Okay, these are
Just
options. Just development
will
will
we
be same.
understand how do we do that? Will we
Yes,
understand how do we do that?
yes. Development will be same. See, you designed a screen. You select an option, mobile option. Then it will adjust according to mobile. Everything will be same, no difference. There are few options to know about. That's it. That is one small topic. If I say, okay. Next,
Yeah,
any
Acha,
other?
you discussed about this 30 modules, right? It's
Yes.
totally based on
Not
the product, right?
exactly
It's
30.
not
It
about
may be
the
30 or
technical.
20 like that. Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so it's totally on the product side, right? It's not depends on the technical sessions.
Product side, not technical. Product is being divided. We are learning everything.
Okay. Yeah.
Next, any other questions?
Yes,
Someone else was trying to ask along with me.
yeah. Yesterday I missed how to get the material?
Which one? Video.
Yeah, video and the
See
document
here.
you sent.
See, we have yesterday, we have created a Google Classroom. Okay. We have created a Google Classroom. The old classroom has some issue. Two classroom links were shared. One classroom you are getting full. Second classroom newly created. You can join this. We sent the classroom link to every one of you, whoever has issue. Second, we will share again today. Today, if you have already joined Google Classroom, the other one, don't join this. If you're already there in Google Classroom, don't join. Those who did not join Google Classroom, join here. What is there? Yesterday class notes, yesterday date, 25th April. Today I will post again. Remaining document is there, right? Today I will post here. 25th. Okay, document, FAQ document, demo PPT, course content, and if you go little bit down, generic one for everyone. Go to meeting link and classroom address, this location address, if anyone want to come. And here software installation step by step video is there, software download link is there. Okay, in this classroom 4 posts are there for you. Yesterday's before, if you go, you'll find useful information. And this YouTube video also provided here or not? Yesterday YouTube video, we do not upload every day in YouTube. Don't think like that. 3 days 4 days only will upload. Later it will be only to you, it's not in the public. If I upload every day, why you need to join? Okay, so only for 3-4 days we will upload in YouTube, that's it. After that we will not upload. Okay, so it is available here. This classroom link I will ping right away. Just hold on. In the Google, this one, how do I get it? Copy class invite. I'm just pasting it in the GoToMeeting chatting window to every one of you. Okay, and I will also send it in the WhatsApp as a broadcast to everyone. I shared it. Okay, go through it please. Okay, if you have already joined yesterday in some other classroom, fair enough, that will be the, these things will be there also. Okay, otherwise you join this one. Okay, clear everyone?
Harsha,
Yes please.
if I join in a company where in like 10 to 15 years maybe they have started the project, so there will be so many activities and other things in that, right? So if they have already if there will be some Java developers or a few people who started working in Pega, so they will even in our project they will be working for Java and HTML. They will be coding in Java and HTML. So to
See, you are an
for
expert,
those.
you are coding, it will not be accepted. You should not code. Provision is there, but don't code. If you code, it will not be accepted by the tech leads. No coding.
So
If you want
if
something, you search in the PRPC. Hold, it will be there.
okay,
Not there, raise an SR for PEGA, they will develop and give you.
so
Okay,
if they
go ahead.
have already coded in HTML and Java, if, will we be having an option for that to be recoded in Java, like in Pega normally without that code? Can we do the same thing in Pega?
That's what I'm saying. See, you can do anything in PEGA. Provision is there. You have to do it in PRPC format only. Don't code it. Something you are looking for is not there at all. Let's say, for example, the next thing you need to do is, because you are a coding expert, you don't code it. Raise an SR for PEGA systems. Within 5 days or 6 days, they will give you that component. Okay, that's what the process. If already coded was there in long back version 6.1, 5.5, if you are upgrading, you have to do it by yourself, changing into PEGA. Long back, not now. 6.1 and before only coding. 6.2 onwards, no coding. Okay, so that time if some component is been upgraded to latest version, redesign it using PRPC model.
So we
Okay,
can
you don't,
confidently say that we are not into coding and we have no
you
coding
will be
like
zero coding.
not into.
You will be zero
So we
coding.
can say that, right?
You are a true expert in Java. You know everything in Java. You can code anything. You code here, it will be rejected. This tool is
Okay.
not for checking your coding or something. Okay, if you are coding, why you come to PEGA? Take a Java free source and code it. Na? Generally, you are purchasing the license
Hmm.
because it is no coding. Again, you are coming and coding so many things. Tool will get disturbed. Tool behavior will get disturbed. So not allowed strictly. See, that's what coding knowledge also you don't need to have, because I am teaching you conceptually from basic level. I'm going to teach you conceptually object oriented concepts and all. I'll teach you from basic level. You don't need to know about anything. That's why you come with empty mind. Whatever that is been filled, you take it. Okay, next. Okay, so I will stop accepting the questions further for today because it is already 7 minutes late. Tomorrow we will join, and tomorrow give me first to 20 minutes. I will cover all the questions that I have in the FAQ document, and then you can ask me next 10 minutes any more questions. We can jump on to the subject. Okay, I'll tell you how to start, how to log in to PEGA and all. Installation, you don't need to wait for me to teach you. I'll not be teaching, because that video we have already provided, given you. Anyone who knows basic computer, Windows operating system, watching the video, you will be able to install. Any issues, I told, contact us, we will help you. After you try, only contact us.
So, Harsha, one more thing. Everyday recording will be available in this classrooms,
Everyday
right?
recording will be available to you, not in YouTube. Only for 2-3
Ah,
days,
it's
4
fine.
days YouTube. It will be available to you in a separate repository, sharing repository. I'll tell you what is that. I will give you access. After you join the course, that repository will get access.
Yeah, that is for our, if we are absent on that day, no, we need some
If you're
backup
absent
and
on a
or
day,
else we need.
yes. If
Mhm.
you're absent on a day, morning you're absent, do it evening, by the time you will have video. Okay. Don't sit idle if you're absent. Maybe you're not able to connect that 1 hour. Another 1 hour you try to utilize to go through the video. Okay, don't wait.
Fine, fine. Yeah, yeah.
Harsha, if we
Even
can
for revision also
continue.
it's required.
No, no, no. Please hold on. Please hold on. Revision also it will be available. I'll tell you all of that tomorrow. Okay. I know that I'm stopping you from asking. I will tell you the process of accessing that and all. I will give you information tomorrow as part of FAQ. Okay. For today, it will not be good to extend because people they have to go to offices and all. Some people. Okay, we'll stop here. We'll continue tomorrow. 9 o'clock sharp we will join. Suppose tomorrow also if it rains, same process. For tomorrow at least you connect online if you are not able to come. If it heavily raining by this time, join online at least without missing the class. No power cut, depend on video for tomorrow. Okay, but I think tomorrow I think it will be okay. Okay, for today this is unexpected. Okay, so we will continue tomorrow. Thank you for joining everyone. I will take up your questions tomorrow. Okay, thank you.